What's going on, everybody? So I wanted to go over something with y'all, special that I'm doing. It's going to be a special for the rest of the year until January 1, 2024. And yes, I'm reading it off my website because I don't want to give y'all the wrong pricing. So for the Elite Credit Repair, it is normally $200 for the processing fee and then $179 a month. For the rest of the year, starting right now, it is going to be $150 for the processing fee and $129 a month. That is a steal. That is $50 off the processing fee and $50 off the monthly fee. And on top of that, if you sign up and you have a bankruptcy or a repossession, it is now included. Not sure how well y'all can see that. I will get, I'll put it up here on the screen too, that way y'all can see the pricing. But so other than the fact that I always want to give value and give a discount anytime I can to make this more affordable, the other reason why I wanted to do this is because the pre-litigation credit repair, and I'm sure y'all are tired of hearing about it, seems like I'm trying to ram it down your throat, but I'm really not. It is the future of credit repair. With that being said, starting January 1st, 2024, my pricing will go down for the Elite Credit Repair. I'm not sure how much, but for now, it's $150 to get started and $129 a month. You're getting the same exact service if you would have paid $200 to start and $179 a month. Again, I'm just trying to save y'all as much money as I can, especially around Thanksgiving and Christmas. That's when everybody's money's tight. People don't have a whole lot of money they want to spend. I get it, trust me. I'm the same way. So again, and also the pre-litigation credit repair. I made a video on this. The reason that's such a smart move is because you have the potential to get $1,000 per violation. Just imagine 5 or 10 violations. That's $5,000 to $10,000 that you're leaving on the table because you're not doing the pre-litigation credit repair. Now, $1,500 may seem like a lot of money, and it is to most. It's a lot of money to me. All we need is a couple violations to get you all your money back and possibly even pocket some money. That's what makes it so special. And the process usually only takes 5 to 6 months and you're completely done. Completely done. So, and I went over this before, I know. So the way it works is when you sign up for the pre-litigation credit repair, we're going to send 4 rounds of letters, including to the creditors and the credit bureaus. After that, I'm going to have you pull your credit report from annualcreditreport.com, have you send it over to me. We're going to forward everything to the attorneys. The attorneys will reach out to you with an agreement for you to sign, agreeing for them to sue either the creditors or the credit bureaus on your behalf. And that check, for example, if there's 3 violations for $3,000, will go to you, the client. So my percentage as of today is 20%. So if you was to sue and get $3,000, my part of that is only $600. So there's really no better time than now to sign up for the pre-litigation credit repair, because in January, all that's going to change. I am still leaving the price at $1,500, but I'm bumping up my percentage to 50%. So anything that you get from suing would be 50%. So now, if you sign up in January and you get $3,000, I get $1,500 of that. But the good news is the $1,500 you get literally pays for the credit repair. So basically your credit repair was free and you ain't got nothing to worry about. You're good to go. So if y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.